Understanding the Child Abuse Hotline, a guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic that concerns the well-being of children around the world. The Child Abuse Hotline. Understanding this term is crucial not only for English language learners but for everyone, as it pertains to the safety and protection of children. We'll break down what this phrase means and why it's important. So, let's get started. The phrase, Child Abuse Hotline, consists of three important words. Let's unpack them one by one. Child. This refers to a young person, typically anyone under the age of 18. Abuse. Abuse is harmful treatment of others, which can be physical, emotional, sexual, or even neglect. Hotline. A hotline is a direct and immediate telephone line for getting help or reporting something, usually available 24/7. Putting it all together, a child abuse hotline is a dedicated phone service that individuals can call to report cases of child abuse or get help for children who may be in danger. It's a confidential and often toll-free number that connects callers with trained professionals ready to offer assistance, advice, and intervention if necessary. The importance of a child abuse hotline cannot be overstated. It serves several critical functions. Immediate assistance. It provides immediate access to help for children in danger. Reporting tool. It offers a way for individuals to report suspicions or instances of child abuse anonymously. Resource for advice. Callers can receive guidance on how to handle situations involving potential child abuse. Preventive measure. It acts as a deterrent to potential abusers, knowing that there is an easy way for their actions to be reported. This hotline plays a vital role in the child protection ecosystem, offering a lifeline to those in need and a direct route to preventing and stopping abuse. Using the Child Abuse Hotline is straightforward but requires understanding and sensitivity. Here are some key points. Be prepared. Know the number of your local child abuse hotline. While there is often a national number, local numbers can provide more direct assistance. Stay calm. If you're calling about a situation, try to stay calm and provide as much information as possible. Confidentiality. Remember, calls are confidential. You don't need to provide your name unless you want to. Follow guidance. The professionals on the line can guide you through the process, whether you're seeking help for a child or reporting abuse. We hope this video has helped you understand what a child abuse hotline is, why it's so important, and how it can be used to protect children. Remember, it's everyone's responsibility to ensure the safety and well-being of children in our communities. If you see something, say something. Your action can make a significant difference in a child's life. Thank you for watching, and let's all do our part in keeping children safe.